The concept of yarning has been practiced by Indigenous peoples across the globe for eons. But it is invaluable today to bring together all cultures in an environment where equity and respect are paramount, and the sharing, wisdoms and knowledge occurs between all parties. In this course, you will learn the fundamentals of how to create a yarning environment, with an emphasis on group sessions, also known as yarning circles. These are translatable across all cultures and are accepted as a way of building bridges of communication between different worldviews. The fundamental principle of yarning is to give and receive information openly, meaning each participant can share their stories as an equal partner in the process. In this yarning for beginners course, you will learn about social or family yarning. It involves the sharing of knowledge in a safe space about issues that matter. It can strengthen relationships, resolve conflicts, find solutions to issues and provide supports. It also can be used to pass on cultural history, values and traditions. There also is research yarning and clinical yarning, but these are more advanced forms of yarning and are addressed in separate courses. The term to yarn is used in many cultures, and familiar terminologies include spinning a yarn, which means telling a story, or having a yarn, which means having a long chat. This type of informal yarning may occur during or after a meal as an ad hoc sharing of information between participants at a gathering that takes place over some days, such as a conference, or when two people meet up and chat for a while. This type of informal yarning occurs when people feel at ease with those around them and when they feel comfortable within a physical environment. However, for the purposes of this training, we are exploring the methodology of delivering a formal yarning experience, and the most general form of this is a yarning circle. Note that a yarning circle often involves storytelling, which is a narrative that supports sharing of experiences and through this, building of common ground in communication. It is not a presentation or tutoring process, but involves respectful, active listening, and through this, reaching consensus on issues or achieving problem-solving outcomes. It often is asked, should a yarning circle have an outcome, or is it just a coming together? Well, the answer is both or either. If a yarning circle has been formed to address a particular topic of discussion, there may be points made and agreed on that may require actions. The facilitator or others nominated by him or her is responsible for taking these points to the next level. This could involve raising an issue with an official or unofficial body, or simply arranging further discussions with others interested in this matter. Or a yarning circle would be held simply to share learnings and experiences, opening up windows of knowledge that otherwise would be unheard or unnoticed. It can be a journey of exploration rather than necessarily being outcome focused. However, this in itself can lead to thought processes that can create opportunities. The methodology of a yarning circle is beneficial to all worldviews in the 21st century. Taking the time to give and receive knowledge, opening your mind to other worldviews and their experiences and learnings is life-altering. In a yarning circle, participants are encouraged to talk freely about their experiences and cut through the formalities of external roles, making all parties involved in the circle both knowers and learners. Through a yarning circle, participants can come together to build a connection and establish a relationship of trust. The stories or yarning delivered by all participants often provides relevant information which might not be provided in a general chat, or even a question and answer interview, and which may prove useful in solution seeking or identifying potential opportunities. A yarning circle has many benefits as a harmonious, creative, and collective way of building bridges of communication. Deliver two-way learning within a collective group, build trust, relationships by providing an environment that supports respectful and honest interactions, provide a safe place to be heard and to respond, identify solutions within a community or other environment, preserve and pass on knowledge, create a consensus voice that can translate into actions required of government or other type of authority.